with regards to where office is concerned. Our next question is from Shiva, who wants a view on TVS Motors. He wants to know whether he can buy at the current levels. In terms of the numbers, they looked pretty decent, Astha, but the street is not taking it very well. The stock is down by about 3.4 odd %. In fact, even brokerages have maintained their buy. Some have even hiked the target price. What's it that the street is not liking, one thing, and what's the outlook like? Should one continue to hold this particular counter?
Street is not liking the valuation. Valuation wise now it is highly stretched. Because what we have seen, in fact, the stock has already risen a lot before the results and the valuations becomes very stretched. And one more thing, one IPO is coming. So, when we were looking after that IPO also, so what we believe TVS Motor hold one distinct feature, and what is that continuously they are moving towards innovation. They are continuously adding certain features, especially in their TVS Jupiter, if this bike I talk about, and that holds the major attraction for all the customers. And this is what the ground check we have done, and afterwards we arrived this point that their product features are so good, then definitely it leads to a strong sales to them. And we have seen that in the past few years, and on that basis strong growth in the financials and strong valuations also which they are commanding. So right now it is just the valuation matter. That is why the stock is falling, but I think at certain level it will settle down and again move northwards. So yes, our idea here is to stay invested in this counter. Maybe some lower levels can be seen. So if anyone want to make a fresh entry, then fresh entry is also recommended, but not at the current level, maybe at the 2600 or 2580 odd levels.
Okay, so valuations is something that the street is not liking, is the view on TVS Motors. Our next caller, Hari, is calling in from Chennai. Hari, a very good morning to you. I believe you have a question on United Spirits.
Hi, this is Hari here. My question is regarding United Spirits. I currently don't hold anything in this sector itself. So, I just like to know, whether it's a good pick in this space.
Hari, you would want to hold this from a longer term perspective?
Actually, I just want to hold it for 2 to 3 years of horizon.
2 to 3 years. Okay. I'll take this up with Astha then. Astha, from the entire Alcobev space, United Spirits, is this the right counter to buy, or are you looking at something else?
No, this is also one of the good counter. Why? Because the volume-led growth was very high. It was a double-digit volume-led growth, which they have shown in their financials. So this is what we believe is one of the key factor. And secondly, the gross margin expansion is also very good, and it is continuously expanded, because I believe in the last quarter also it was like around 100 or 130 basis point of gross margin expansion at around 44%. So what a strong expansion this company is showing. So volume-led growth is there, margin expansion is happening. So I think it makes a case to remain invested in this counter. So hold is a strategy from our side for this counter with a price target of somewhere at around 1650.
Okay, hold is the view on United Spirits.